Hi everyone, this is Brahmesh from BrahmeshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video again we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty. As we all know, like Nifty has seen a very decent fall in last two trading sessions from almost 11,535 to 11,085, a decent fall of 400 points, and for Bank Nifty again we are seeing a good fall of around 800 to 900 points odd level. So have we formed a bottom or will the correction continue? The first thing is on the technical aspect, like Nifty is closing well below 20 and 50-day moving average, suggesting there is more to this. I mean, it has the trend has changed from buy on dips to sell on rise till we don't close above the 20-day moving average, which is around I think 11,350 odd levels. Now, second thing is which is regarding financial astrology. So we are seeing we saw a sign change between in Sun. So Sun is changing sign from Virgo to Libra. It happened yesterday on 22nd. Now this is a very crucial thing because see here, on 20th January when Sun changed the sign, we had a major top, again a major top here, again a major top here, a major top here, then a major bottom here. From there we had a good rally, again a major bottom here, from there good rally. So this is a very important, important aspect which we need to always keep in mind. Now this has closed, this happened yesterday, so 11,300 is a level which we need to watch out from upside. If it goes above it, then only it makes sense to go positionally long into the market. On downside, 11,085 broken, you can see a good fall on downside. In between, like if price is unable to close above it, you can play the range bound trades. But 11 once 11,085 to 11,070 is broken, then it makes sense to go short in the market. For the day today, if it breaks 11,178 to 11,160 order range and it sustains below it, I think we can revisit 11,085, 11,100 odd levels. So, we need to know which instrument, represent, like sun has a very good impact on gold. So you can see gold price also, I mean, corrected yesterday and today also we had a good correction, almost 500, 600 rupees down. So which planet supports it, which instrument support which planet is very important. Nifty has a good support of Sun. Similarly, I'll show you for Bank Nifty also. And go here, I'll open the chart for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is again weakest in the pack. We are seeing a lot of Bank Nifty is not at all showing strength. It corrected exactly on this. This was also a very important, Astro event which we have discussed in the previous video. Again, I'm going here, Astro sign change, Sun. Okay, see here. Perfect. From here, this happened last week. Sorry, last expiry on 24th, and you can see such a nice rally we saw it here. And similarly now it is happening today. So probably now 21,000 in Bank Nifty is, I'm seeing a lot of option support on that strike price. So there is a strong support at that point of time, but on the last day of expiry it becomes easy to break these kind of levels. A simple push can break these kind of levels and it can lead to a big fall. So watch out for yesterday's high and low break in high and low break in Bank Nifty. The high of Bank Nifty is around 21,473 yesterday, and the low is 29,508. So once it starts trading below 29,508, you can see a fall all the way till 2,700 to 2,500 odd levels. On upside, it makes sense to go long only about 21,500. So these are the important thing which I wanted to discuss. The impact of sun ingress. You can see here Bank Nifty again made a top here. It again from here it started falling. This was a classic trade which we had. So once you know the change in trend, then you have to write the trend using your simple technical analysis, like a simple like this was a trending move. You keep moving your stop loss to the previous day's low. It gets triggered somewhere here, but before that you can write this whole move of almost 1000 to 1500 odd points. See exact top here, from there lower lows getting formed. So financial astrology gives you change in trend. Once the change in trend is identified, then you can write the move based on your technicals, whatever you follow. If you don't follow, at least once this low is broken, you can easily get 300 to 400 points in Bank Nifty, 100 to 150 points in Nifty, based on the prior experience which I have. So practice this, be safe, be healthy, and stay disciplined. Thank you everyone.